So in this video, we're going to learn about how to eliminate both the leading and the trailing spaces in the values of our variables. So the first nice trick that we may apply on eliminating both the leading and the trailing spaces, basis and knowledge, is that by somehow if we are able to say combine the operation of the ltrim and the rtrim function, we might get a new variable which does not have any spaces either on the beginning or at the end. And to achieve such kind of a thing, we simply need to write l trim over here before rtrim, closing bracket. So again, what I'm trying to do here is that I have put a function inside another function, and the way SQL executes, it will always execute the inner function first. So the inner function would be executed first, and all the trailing spaces, that are the spaces towards the right of the variable's value, would be eliminated, and then that value is going to be used to eliminate all the spaces towards the left of this variable also, variable's value also. And we're going to give it a new name, say new spaces, and we're going to see the length of this variable also. Yes, so let's try running this query. So there you go. So now, even from the appearance, you can see that both the left and the right spaces have been completely eliminated, and the length value also shows us the same. So the length value of this variable is the same as the variables that were in their originality. But although we have made our whole process very cumbersome by using the ltrim and the write function together, we could have easily achieved the same process by merely using a simple function, and that is the trim function wrote alone. So if I want both the leading and the trailing spaces eliminated, I just need to use the trim function. So this function would do the same job as the previous function of the previous combination of ltrim and write trim did. So let's give it a shot and see whether it works or not. So sorry, I think I missed up a space or something. Just a bracket over here. So again, this is a function inside another function. So first is going to trim the spaces, and then we were going to have a length of the value calculated from trimming the spaces. So let's select the whole select query, run it, and there you go. So again, the leading and the trailing spaces have been eliminated from all of the values of this variable, and it is quite apparent in the length name variable which we made up in our SQL query over here. So I think this leaves us pretty much handy in dealing with situations where we have a leading and trailing spaces in our values. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching.